All right, got me a new still. Got me a little tiny stove top. Got a copper top, stainless pan. It's a 3-gallon. I'm gonna modify it straight out of the box. It's got a little copper worm. It's a little dinged up. Man, I can't believe they don't package these a little better. Let's make this hole bigger. All right, so I drilled the hole. Coming up, the little piece of 3/4, and I put a 3/4 inch union on the top of it. Get you a sheet of copper. Get you a lid off a wide mouth mason jar. Draw you a little line. Get the snips. Cut it so it's like that. Should always have a 1/2-gallon mason jar, dirty one. You don't ever want to use it to run anything. This is just your template jar. Put that in there. Take a normal wide mouth. Put it in there tight like that. And we're going to drill holes in this. All right, so I'm going to go 3/4 here, 1/2 inch here. I'm going to go in at 3/4, come out at 1/2 inch. So in order to do that, I need a 5/8 inch for the half, a 7/8 inch for the 3/4. All right. So this is what I want it to look like. So do all your measuring and cutting, and then take it out, take it apart, solder it. But that's how spaced I want it. I already soldered all this. I'll explain all these pieces, what size they are, how many inches they are. I'm not gonna make you watch me sit and solder every one of them. Now it's time to get a 1/2 inch. This is 3/4. I'm gonna come out of a 1/2 and go into our worm. I'll show you when I figure that out. I'm kind of using the pipe that come with it. It originally went from there to there, but now I got this. I changed all that, and I bent it, and I don't have a pipe flare, even though I ordered one. I'm gonna temporarily use that, but I'm eventually gonna order a pipe flare and cut part of that out so I could have this thumper, so I could have this worm closer to my thumper. But I mean, so far that looks pretty good. I might build a little bit bigger of a worm too. But you know, it's a quick modifying it. I haven't soldered here yet or here. Need to solder all this over. I believe this little pipe's 3/8, because I know this is 1/2 inch to 3/8 coupling here. This is just a 1/2 inch female thread, piece of 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch elbow, 1/2 inch pipe. So it's pretty easy modification if you know what you're getting. I'll run through all these fittings one more time. This is 3/4 inch, drilled a hole, soldered it. Soldered a 3/4 inch union, the other part of a 3/4 inch union, a piece of 3/4 inch, a 3/4 inch elbow, another piece of 3/4 inch, a 3/4 inch union, the other part of a 3/4 inch union, 3/4 inch, 3/4 inch elbow, 3/4 inch pipe. Cut that out, you've seen that. 3/4 inch hole, 1/2 inch hole, which that's 5/8, that's 7/8 outer diameter. 1/2 inch pipe, 1/2 inch elbow, 1/2 inch pipe, 1/2 inch female threaded end. I don't know what you call them. This is 3/8 inch outer diameter by 1/2 inch MIP. And then this had the fitting. This fitting was on this already. So I'm just using the pipe that came with it for now. I got that sitting on an old pot. I'm gonna get something cool to put it up on, but I'm gonna go solder it, and I'll probably put some bracing between these two pipes, or maybe something here and here. I'll solder a pipe. I'll show you when it's done and running. There it is, running. I love it, dude. So basically, if you're gonna run a worm, you're gonna need to get a little shutoff valve and adjust it to where you're not overflowing the top, but it's just coming out right at the right moment, you know what I mean? Shutoff valve if you're having trouble running your worm. Keep that in mind. And you know, a little $10 pond pump. But I love it, dude. I like this thing right here. Look how pretty that is. I ended up bracing it right here. It's a good little still. I'll put a link to it if you want to do this project. You know, or if you just want to run it regular without a thumper. It's a cool little still for the price. Either way, have a good day, y'all.